Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome, and I hope that you stay and see some of the cool stuff that I do here. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this headband. It's an African print headband with elastic. So this is the biggest piece of fabric that I used, and the dimensions were 10 inches wide and 60 inches long. This is the biggest piece of fabric. There's going to be another one which is 3 inches by 15 inches. And then you also have the last one which is 4 inches by 15 inches. So basically you are going to have 3 pieces of fabric, one the really big one, followed by these two which are both 15 inches. Only difference is one is 3 inches wide and the other one is 4 inches wide. So to start off, I took the large piece of fabric and then right sides facing each other, I folded it in half, and then I just started to pin on the edge. After pinning that edge, I now just went on to stitch it. And after stitching, I now turned the fabric inside out, and then I made sure that the seam is lying in the middle. Then I now went on to my 4 inches wide piece of fabric, and then so there I just took my pinking shears, then I just trimmed the edges. You can hem it, you can overlock it, but really it's optional. You can just use it as it is. Then you can use either a safety pin or a bodkin. I used a bodkin to now put that other fabric inside this one, sort of like gathering that fabric. So the first time you put it, make sure that you put a pin on the end so that your fabric does not get lost. And then I put the fabric through until I reach the other side. Then I also pinned it. Then to make sure that the fabric does not get lost, I just stitched those ends. Then I just stitched those ends, making sure that that fabric stays inside. Then I now went on to my 3 inches wide fabric. Then I now folded the little piece of fabric in half, and then I pinned it, and then I stitched on the edge. After that, I turned the little piece of fabric inside out, and then I cut a piece of elastic which was about 7 inches long.
I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind.
Then I started to thread my 7-inch long elastic inside the little fabric casing. You can use your safety pin or bodkin to do this, and always make sure that you pin the elastic on the end so that it does not get lost. Then I now had to join those 2 pieces of fabric together. Then I made sure that right sides facing each other. I basically put the small piece in the middle, and then I fold the 2 edges over, and then I pin. I also did the same thing for the other side. And then I went on to stitch this on my sewing machine. Then after that, I now turned the little fabric inside out. So as you can see, all the row stitching will be hidden inside. That is basically it for this super short, super easy DIY. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you come back again for more. See you. Bye.